Hi everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the impact of technological advances in the Florida energy industry through visualization tools. The industry of Porter's Five Forces shows that energy companies have a monopoly on each state. There are parent companies that can control more than one state. An example of this is the company NextEra Energy that purchased Hawaiian Electrical Energies and eventually merged with Encore Electric Delivery. So in this slide, you'll see the various pollution trends of the United States. The visualization on the left shows states with the most population. In this slide, you'll see the various pollution trends in the United States. The visualization on the left shows the states with the most pollution. A few of the main states are California, Texas, Florida, and Oregon. The chart of the United States shows all of the states that have pollution, and below is the detailed data from Texas, California, and Florida. All these three states have the highest pollution in the United States. Discuss how the industry could be improved using embedded sustainability. What incentives do the incumbents have to embrace this new approach to business thinking? Industries need to start using embedded sustainability to improve their industry. They would have to be mindful of the wildlife and how their services impact and affect other industries. Nuclear power is a perfect example of how mindfulness is necessary in the event of safety regulations so that something like Chernobyl doesn't happen. Consider the impact of disruptive innovations by creating a disruptive innovation analysis and visualization that depicts the impact of these technologies. Solar panels help expand energy and environmental improvements. There are currently about 1 million solar panels across the Miami-Dade County and counting, and about 10 large solar power plants across the entire state of Florida. There are several solar installations and battery storage research plans in action. FPL has a plan in motion to team up with Miami-Dade to preserve clean air and address the climate change issues. How do blue ocean strategies exist, or are the oceans red? Red tide is making the coastal pollution problem worse, and the spread of red tide in the past 60 years has dramatically worsened. Many scientists predict this rapid growth of algae is the result of the Gulf of Mexico waters that are warming, which cause the algae to grow rapidly. The Gulf's temperature has increased by 2 degrees Fahrenheit since 1977, and as the ocean soaks up more heat, it also increases the carbon dioxide emissions. In this slide, you'll see the pollution trends from 2001 and more recently in 2016. On the left, you have two visualizations for 2001. The visualization of the map of the United States shows the multiple states with pollution. The second visualization shows the states with the largest population that have pollution, those being California and Texas. The visualizations for 2016 are the same as the previous slides that you've seen before. The states with the largest pollution are California, Florida, and Texas. And as you can hypothesize that in the pollution rates, they've dramatically worsened over the past few years, especially in Florida. Do any types of pollution correlate more strongly to the red tide effects that we are now seeing? Do you think it is casual in nature? What is your hypothesis? Coastal pollution seems to be making the red tide problem grow rapidly, and the littered beaches have caused an increase of dead mammals, sea turtles, and rotting marine life. Although this is a quote-unquote natural occurrence, it has been reported for centuries, and it's recently worsened because of the man-made pollution.